Let's understand why you can currently create a public profile on Snapchat. Let's say you're registered on Snapchat and you want to create a public profile for more visibility so everyone can discover you, contact you, view your stories, and so on. I'll tell you how to do this. Go to Snapchat and click on your profile in the top left corner. At the very bottom is your public profile. Click on it to view your current settings. If it's missing information, missing stories, plots, inside or a cover photo, or you don't have a public profile button at all, don't worry. You can fix this by going back and clicking on the gear icon in the top of the right corner. Scroll down the page and under Privacy Controls. Switch as many settings as you can from restricted or private to public. Open the contact for public access. For example, turn off ghost mode and set the location settings to everyone or my friends. Similarly, set the view my stories settings to my friends. In the contact me section, set it to all or friends and contacts. Now proceed to enable the See Me in the Quick Ads feature. Make sure the activity indicator is turned on. Go through all aspects of the privacy control section and turn them on. This step is very important. For a public profile, all the settings should be enabled. Close the app and make sure you have the latest version of the app installed. Go to the App Store or Google Play on Android and search for the Snapchat app. If you don't have an update button, then you have the latest version of the app installed. Open Snapchat again, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner and open your public profile. It will now show you all your stories and information, providing a richer experience for those who are interested in following your public profile. I hope this video has helped you solve your public profile issue. If it did, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more helpful content. See you in the next video.